Welcome children. In this video we can do some problems from that exercise 1.3 question number 5 chapter 1 integers. And here that I have listed that all questions, fifth question, and we can do that one by one. Find the product using suitable properties. We have to apply that properties and solve that problems. I'll do that one by one for you. Here it is. First one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Here we can observe these two terms here, 26 into minus 48, and another one is minus 48 into minus 36. Here you know that we can see one common factor, minus 48, and here also minus 48. That minus 48 we are taking outside, minus 48, and put a bracket here and write 26. Here minus 48 we have already taken outside and putting a bracket here left 26. Write that 26 here. We can write that 26 here. Then this plus, write that plus here, and this 48 minus 48 we have already taken outside. Then what left here? Minus 36. Write that minus 36 here. And we have applied that property here using bracket. Always a into b plus c form it is. So that property is distributive property we applied here. Distributive property or distributivity. Then our problem becomes so easier. Look here, minus 48 into, do that calculation inside that bracket, 26 plus minus 36. One is positive, one is negative. Find the difference between 36 and 26. What it is? 10. Which is larger, 36 or 26? 36 is larger than 26 with a minus sign. So give minus sign here. Now you look, here it is minus, here also minus. So product of two negative integers is a positive integer, and 48 into 10 is 480. Simply we have got that answer 480. Then the second question is 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here we cannot apply the distributive property because here only one term, into here. So we cannot apply distributive property. Then we have to think about other property. We know three numbers are there. We are changing that order for easier. How can we do that problem in an easy way? And if we are writing this 8 into minus 125, we know that 125 into 8 is 1000. So it will make us more easy. So we are writing like this way, changing order of multiplication. Here it is associativity. We have applied that property, associativity, changing order of multiplication or addition, associative property. Then look here, 8 into minus 125, negative it is, product of a positive integer and a negative integer, we will get that negative integer itself, minus. Then 8 into 125 we know it is 1000. 8 into 125 is 1000, minus 1000 into 53, that is equal to 5 3. We have to write here 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros, 53,000, and here one negative is there, so minus 53,000 is the answer. Then the third question is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. This we have to rearrange. That means we have to apply that associative property. നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഓർഡർ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുമെങ്കിൽ അത് അസോസിയേറ്റീവ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയാണ്. നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള രീതിയിൽ ഓർഡർ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം വളരെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും. That is equal to 15. Here we can see 15 into 10, 150. Easily we will get that answer. So we can write it closer. അതിനെ രണ്ടിനെയും അടുത്ത് എഴുതിയ ശേഷം നെക്സ്റ്റ് minus 25 into 4. We know 25 into 4 is 100. Write that also. Minus 25 into minus 4. Then next step, look here, 15 into minus 10. 15 into 10 is 150. And ഇവിടെ ഒരെണ്ണം മൈനസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു മൈനസിനെ പോസിറ്റീവ് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആൻസർ എപ്പോഴും നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ഇൻറ്റു പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ, ആൻസർ ഈസ് നെഗറ്റീവ്. Then into, here you look, minus 25 into minus 4. We know 25 into 4. What is 25 into 4? 100. 100. Both are negative. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. So 100 itself. രണ്ടും നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടുന്നത്. Then that is equal to, look here, 150 into 100, 150. After that, put two more zeros on the right of the number. And here it is a negative integer, positive integer. So answer is negative. Minus 15,000 is the answer. Then the next problem is minus 41 into 102. Here we have to apply that distributive property, because this we can write minus 41 into 102. This we have to write 100 plus 2. Then we have used that bracket. It is of the form a into b plus c. We have applied distributivity or distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then that is equal to, look here, minus 41 into 100. Minus 41 into 100 is minus 41. Then put two zeros here. Then this plus, put that plus here, same way itself. Again minus 41 into 2. Some more clearly I will tell you. Here if we need, we can write, opening this bracket here, minus 41 into, here you look, minus 41 into 100. Same way minus 41 into 2. Opening this bracket only we are doing in case of distributive property. Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Then do that. Minus 41. Two zeros put here. Minus 4100 plus 41 into 2 is 82. Then 1 is negative here. So it is minus 82. Then both are negative integers. രണ്ട് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിനെയും കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ കൊടുക്കുക. സോ ദിസ് sum of two negative integers is a negative integer itself. Add this. Very easy to add right now. Minus 4182. So that answer is minus 4182. The next question is 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here we can see two terms are here. This is the first term, 625 into minus 35. And this is the another term, minus 625 into 65. And we know these two terms contains a common factor 625. And here also 625. Avoid this minus and look here, 625 here, 625 here. So that we can take that 625 outside. That means we have to apply distributive property here. Using a bracket, that means distributive property. And 625 we have taken outside. Then what left here? Only minus 35. Write that minus 35 here. Then plus 625 we have taken here. This minus we did not take. So put that minus here. Then 65 left here. 625 is here. Minus left here. We have to put that minus here. Then 65 here. Okay. Then that is equal to 625 into, do this calculation inside that bracket. Minus 35 plus minus 65 is 100. Both are negative. That is what? Answer also negative. Sum of two negative integers is a negative integer. And multiply this. 625. Then two more zeros we have to put right of this number. Then here it is negative. Put that minus here. Then the answer is minus 62,500. Then the next question is 7 into 50 minus 2. It is already in the form of a into b minus c. Distributive property. We can apply that. That is equal to, here 7 into 50. Open this bracket. 7 into 50. Then here it is minus, write that minus same way itself. Then 7 into 2, 7 into 2 here. That is equal to 7 into 50, we know 350 minus 7 into 2 is 14. Then directly we can subtract. It is very easy. 350 minus 14 is 336. So the answer is 336. Then the next question is minus 17 into minus 29. Here we can apply that distributive property, that is equal to minus 17. Either we can write this 17 as 10 plus 7 or 29 as minus 20 plus 9 or 30 minus 1 also we can write. But here I think this will be easy for you. Minus 20 plus minus 9. We have written this minus 29 as minus 20 plus minus 9. Minus 29 itself. Then that is equal to, open this bracket. Like this way we already know opening this bracket by using distributive property, minus 17 into minus 20, then this plus, put it here, then minus 17 into minus 9, then multiply, minus into minus is plus, 17 into 20, 17 into 2 is 34, then minus and minus plus only, then this 0 we have to put 340 plus. Here also both are negative, so answer will be positive. 17 into 9 is 153. Then next is add these two, 493. This is the answer. Then the next question is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Here we know, here we have two terms. Because of this plus, this is one term and this is another term. And here 57 is there, here also 57 is there. So we can do one rearrangement for this. Minus 57 into minus 19, then plus, we can write this 57 as 57 into 1. Then that is equal to, here we can see that 57 and here also 157. That we can take outside and we can apply distributive property, 57. Then in this term, here one minus left. Put that minus here. Then minus 19 plus 57 already we have taken outside. Then what left here? 1. Write that 1 here. That is equal to 57 into minus is positive. So write 19 plus 1. That is equal to 57 into 19 plus 1, what it is? 20. That is equal to 57 into 20 is equal to 1140. This is the answer. Next we can do exercise 1.4, second question. Verify that a divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. Here a is given as 12, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 12. And in case of all verification problems, we have to take LHS and RHS. Here it is given, we have to verify a divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So that we are doing this. This part is called LHS, left hand side of this one, and it is RHS, right hand side. And we can do first LHS, a divided by b plus c. We have to substitute the values of a, b and c. എയ്ക്ക് പകരമായിട്ട് എയുടെ വാല്യൂ ഇവിടെ 12 ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്, അത് കൊടുക്കുക. 12 divided by, substitute 12 instead of a. Then b and c we have to give. Here it is given b equal to minus 4. Substitute b equal to minus 4 here. b യുടെ വാല്യൂ minus 4 ആണ്. bക്ക് പകരമായി minus 4 അവിടെ കൊടുക്കുക. Then plus, put this plus that same way itself here. Then c, what is the value of c given? 2. Instead of c, we have to put 2 here. C ക്ക് പകരമായിട്ട് 2 കൊടുക്കുക. Then that is equal to 12 divided by, what is minus 4 plus 2? Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. 12 divided by minus 2. One positive integer and a negative integer always gives us minus. ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജറിനെ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും നെഗറ്റീവിനെ പോസിറ്റീവ് കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താലും നമ്മളുടെ ആൻസർ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ minus 6. We are getting it as minus 6. LHS we have got minus 6. LHS is equal to minus 6. Then we can do RHS. What is our RHS? Look the right side of this one. A divided by B plus A divided by C. Give A. What is the value of A? 12. Write 12 here. Then divided by. Put that division symbol here. And B minus 4. Right? Minus 4 here. Here one bracket is there. Close it similar way. Then here it is plus. Put that plus here. Then A. Again we know A is equal to 12. Put that A 12. Then divided by. Put that division symbol here. Then C. What is C? 2. Put that 2 here. Close the bracket. എയുടെയും ബിയുടെയും സിയുടെയും വാല്യൂസ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്തു. That is equal to 12 divided by minus 4. Positive divided by negative minus. 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. Plus. Put that plus here. 12 divided by 2. What it is? 6. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then it is equal to minus 3 plus 6. What is minus 3 plus 6? One is positive, one is negative. ഒരെണ്ണം പോസിറ്റീവും ഒരെണ്ണം നെഗറ്റീവുമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് വലുതിൽ നിന്നും ചെറുതിനെ കുറച്ചിട്ട് വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ കൊടുക്കണം. ഇവിടെ വലുത് 6 ആണ്. 6 ഈസ് ദ ലാർജർ വൺ, 3 ഈസ് ദ സ്മോളർ വൺ. 6 മൈനസ് 3 ഈസ് 3. വലുത് ഏതാണ്? 6 ആണ്. അതിൻ്റെ ചിഹ്നം സിമ്പിൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. സോ ആൻസർ ഈസ് 3. ദെൻ ലുക്ക് LHS. Verification always we have to compare LHS and RHS. LHS is equal to minus 6. RHS is equal to 3. We know obviously LHS not equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Second one, similar question, same question itself. A divided by B plus C. A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. And we have to prove that for A is equal to minus 10, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. First we have to write A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. And verification I told you first, whenever we are verifying we have to find LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side separately and compare both. Here LHS, A divided by B plus C. Substitute that values of A, B and C. A equal to 10. A യുടെ പ്ലേസിൽ minus 10. A equal to minus 10. Write that there. Divided by B plus C. B യുടെ value 1 ആണ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. Put 1 here. Then this plus. Put that plus here same way itself. Then C equal to 1 here. Then that is equal to minus 10 divided by, what is 1 plus 1? 2. Minus 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. Negative integer divided by positive integer, answer is negative, minus 5. Similarly, find RHS also. Right hand side. That is A divided by B plus A divided by C. Put the values of A, B and C. A divided by B. A is minus 10 divided by B. B is equal to 1. Close the bracket. Then put that plus. Put the plus here. A. A is equal to minus 10. Then divided by C the value തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 1 ആണ്. Put that 1 here. That is equal to minus 10 divided by 1 is minus 10 itself. Plus minus is Here minus 10 is negative, 1 is positive. Negative should be that answer. Minus 10 plus minus 10 divided by 1 is again minus 10. What is minus 10 plus minus 10? That is equal to minus 20. Then observe here LHS minus 5, RHS minus 20. So we could understood LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Okay, thank you children.